I recently heard the most remarkable fact about a particular common type of drink which is easy to buy at the grocery store. And it's all to do with its potential to help repair our DNA. And Dr. Michael Greger is going to tell us all about it in a moment, and the exact dosages of how much we need to consume to see benefits. So why is this so significant? Well, DNA repair is fundamental to life, because our DNA carries the instructions for building and maintaining every cell in our body. And if those instructions get damaged and aren't fixed, the consequences can be severe. Every day, DNA in our cells faces thousands of damaging events, from UV light, toxins, radiation, and even normal metabolism. If unrepaired, these damages can become mutations, which are permanent changes in the genetic code. And many cancers are linked to defective repair. Neurons and immune cells are highly sensitive to DNA damage, and impaired repair is linked to neurodegenerative diseases. So what if there's a simple way we can aid our bodies into repairing damaged DNA? Well, let's hear now from Dr. Michael Greger of nutritionfacts.org.
We're talking about both black and green tea, though green tea does have a slight advantage. Part of this protection is due to the lower risk of dying from pneumonia, one of our leading causes of death. We have 5 randomized controlled trials showing those randomized to green tea about a third less likely to come down with the flu, for example, so it's an immune booster. Within just a single hour of drinking green tea, we can significantly cut down on the rate of DNA damage within our cells, because green tea significantly boosts the activity of a DNA repair enzyme in our body that fixes DNA damage literally within an hour. And within a month, drinking 2 small daily cups of green tea can improve DNA resistance to free radical damage in the first place, indicating that green tea has significant genoprotective or DNA protecting effects.
Stay tuned till the end as we'll discuss what to do if green tea makes you nauseous or gives you tummy problems. There's so much exciting research on green tea. This study published in 2020 suggested that green tea is linked with a 64% lower chance of cognitive impairment in middle-aged and older adults. This research linked drinking green tea with a reduced chance of developing some types of cancer, including lung and ovarian cancer. And this recent review of studies suggested that drinking green tea every day could lower many risk factors of heart disease, such as blood lipids and blood pressure. Lots of people have mentioned they can't drink green tea because it makes them nauseous or upsets their stomach. We think this is likely due to the tannins in green tea, which increase stomach acid. So the key is not to consume green tea on an empty stomach. It's best to drink it either in between meals or after a meal. Ideally, you want to see if you can stretch this to an hour and a half after a meal, as tea can interfere with iron absorption. But find what timing works best for you. Next, we'll look at a fruit that can also potentially help repair our DNA. To view that video, you can click the middle of the screen now, but it's also pinned to the top of the comments below.